Alright, so the Vette's back.
The Vette is back, it's done. Bruce did an awesome job on doing the body work. I don't know the last time I had someone do such good work for me. Look at it, it's just beautiful. I mean, it's just, look how straight that is. I mean, this is fiberglass, so someone had been in there and had been bondoing it up and putting the red putty all over it. He stripped it right back down to like the gel coat, am I correct? No, to the gel coat. What is it? No gel coat. Oh, okay. What is it then?
There's a black epoxy.
Black epoxy. Got it from there. So this is the color the owners picked out. They're going to put it back together now. So unfortunately, maybe they'll run it by one day and you'll get to see it with the wheels and all the grill and all the stuff. But it seems like a lot of our customers these days are starting to do this with us. They're putting the chrome and stuff back on. Well, people like to get involved, all right? Makes them feel like they're part of the build. But no, it turned out good. Don't know what else to show you there. Got to give it a little bit of a wash and a clean up. It's a little bit dusty right now. I think they're talking about putting some Krager mags on it. They're going for that 60s kind of look, from what I understand.
Yeah, they had a video where there was a guy doing a burnout in one of these, and it was like a 60s build. And yeah, that's what they're planning on doing.
It was Krager's, wasn't
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. So no, awesome little car. They've had this thing for like 30, 35 years or something. I think they said when they bought it, they paid like next to nothing. I think they paid like either $3 grand or $5 grand for it like 30 years ago.
Yeah.
It came to them in pieces.
Yeah.
It's got the little 283 or 327 in it, standard, you know, 4 gear, ready to go.
Yeah.
And they got the hard top for it. We got that down in the basement. So that's it. Not much else to show you on that one. It's out.
It's too bad we don't see it with all the chrome and everything on it, but...
Yeah, it would be nice with all the goodies on it, but it's all good.
Yep.
So there you go, guys. Take a look. Hope you like it. That's all.
Check that hood out.
What?